you could go back in time when Mela is going in flows, what change would you like to bring in it so that it can become a success?
Yeah, see, actually the thing that happened with Mela, there was a very good sequence and a song between me and Amir. And that song Dharmesh cut off from that film because the length of the film was also slightly long. And there was a beautiful sequence which would have got the house down with laughter. What happened with Mela? It was a comic film. So people were laughing, but they were not just, they didn't burst out ever. That's what I felt while watching the film with the audience. If that sequence would have come in and the audience khul ke ek baar has deti, you would have got the audience would have been with you. You would have been, you have got them. And that scene that chunk of scene made a very big difference to the film. I think if that thing would have been added, I think we would have got
one song. You're saying
there's one song and one good sequence. There's a deadly good comedy sequence with Viju Khote, me and Razak and Amir and the girl. So that sequence just made the big difference. And one song, the thing is, the very interesting thing is that this same song was used in another film. And the film is, I think, called Love Guru or something like that.
Okay.
And it's called Gori Gori Hum Chori Se Pyar Karenge, something like that. Chori Chori Hum Gori Se Pyar Karenge, Chupke Chupke Aankhein Char Karenge. That song became a very big hit.
Yeah, I can recall it.
Yeah, so it was in Mela actually.
Acha.
And it was a song between me and Amir.
Okay.
And it was short, and it was a superb song. And they cut. I said, Dharmesh, you're cutting one of the aces from the film. I went to his house. I told him, Dharmesh, this is an ace. You remove the ace from a pack, and the pack is not there. Film का क्या होता है ना? Each scene, each shot is a link.
Absolutely.
You remove one link, and it's a pack of cards. It just falls. You're putting each card, and you're building up that. You have this card where you put one card, and you're building the full image, the full pack of cards. या आप एक कार्ड में डालते बीच में से क्या होगा? वो पूरा काट करके नीचे गिर जाएगा. फिल्म्स के साथ ऐसा होता है. इसलिए धर्मेश का भी यही वर्ड है कि no decision is a small decision. It just stuck with me. So you have to be very careful while making a film. Each small link, each small shot, each small reaction is important.